Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. As always, I tell this is just an educational video where I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, as per the long-term activity record, it was a seller-dominated day. So, on this date, there is an error. It is 28th. So, it was a seller-dominated day with a high volume as well as value area placement towards lower side. So, indicates a market is very weak and we need to expect a bearish sentiment. So market opened below the previous day value area and it was kind of a neutral kind of a day. It went up till the yesterday's POC and came down. So yesterday's IB, if you see, it was around 165. So that means it is a medium IB range. So we need to expect a normal variation day or a normal neutral day. So that is the kind of formation. So this is a market which opened outside range. It was somewhat kind of a open drive and then in beat period came down and it was giving a higher high. So I thought it will be a bullish kind of a day. But one thing is that yesterday's view was bearish. I should have considered that bearishness, but should have considered that bearishness and thought that it should be a neutral kind of a day. But instead, I thought it will be bullish, and I took a trade when IB high was broken. So it hit the stop loss, and I was on a loss, expecting it will be a normal variation day. So these are the day types. So yesterday I forgot to tell one thing regarding how IB large, medium, small is being selected. So this is based on one of YouTuber's video, which is based on market profile mind over market. So it indicates that large IB means value which is we should take the ATR, that is the average true range. So if we consider Nifty yesterday's value, PC around 197 was the average true range. So any value, any IB value which is above 197 will be considered as a large IB. And if it is a medium IB means it should be between 197 and 197 divided by 3. That is around 65 to 197 is considered as medium IB. And a small IB means 197 divided by 3. That means below 65 will be a small IB. So these are some of the probabilities which he has back tested and these were the result which he got. So normal variation day occurrence is around 3%. Normal variation day is the maximum occurrence. That means 45%. Trend day will be around 19%. Neutral days will be around 14% and non-trend days around 18%. So considering this 45%, I thought it will be a normal variation day. But here one mistake which I think which I made is that my view as per long-term activity record it was bearish. So I should have thought that though it is going it has broken IB high, it will be somewhat kind of a neutral kind of a day. If I had that perspective, it could have been a good profitable day for me. But anyway, I accept the loss and I'll learn lesson from that. So this is where I took the trade. You can see when IB was broken somewhere here, I entered the trade and when the swing high was found. But unfortunately, market came down and my stop loss was hit. So I don't have any regret because I stick down to the plan. But here also I did one mistake. I traded in a bit huge quantity and my initial I took a loss as per the strategy. In order to cover that loss, I took a trade with a huge quantity. But somehow I was able to manage it. So it did not turn to be a huge loss. But I somewhat it was a loss day for me. So anyway, again yesterday it was a normal day. Today it was a neutral day. So things are becoming clearer and clearer. So in the coming days we'll see how the trade is going on. Thank you. This is the mindset. I told I was not disciplined and I traded in huge quantity. But market conviction somewhat you can say it is correct because as per the long-term activity record it was correct and I expected for a normal variation day. But that was a mistake from my side because I should have expected for a neutral day as long-term activity record indicated bearishness. Thank you.